I joined HealthifyPro and I feel that my life has changed for better. Around 7.5 to 8 kgs I have lost after joining Healthify. I feel dedication comes because you people are following up. You people have a very good system of following up.
You will rather now tell other people to be more healthy, eat consciously, portion control, because that lifestyle change I think now is coming to you. But how was your experience with CGM when you had this device on? Was it different?
I was in for a surprise. The experience with the CGM has actually, you can say, it has turned my life. So all this thing comes with a coach. The coach is actually training you how to utilize this thing, how to read the reading, how to understand what is the importance of those readings. So these things come with training only. And the training, what best in coach is providing is the training. Checking your logs, they are verifying your foods that you have eaten, and then they are guiding you. The first time I received the smart scale, I was considering it as a normal weighing scale, but I was in for a surprise that with that weight, apart from the weight, it was doing so many parameters. HealthifyPro is definitely worth it. Excellent and caring coaches is what makes Healthify desirable.